can help me. And I saw a cook that I really like it. Think about what happened. I feel bad, but I know that like it still have good people in the world. The cook didn't like went out. Went out. The cook didn't went out. And when I put the beef, start fighting. Like the video that I saw was a girl cut her hair. Oh my god, what I need to do? And I saw a cook that I really like it. Called the salon that I go like every time, but they didn't have like in like free time to me today. So when I did this wrong thing, I was in a train station